Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Moral Story. So friends, we have brought new story for you, Cinderella. So subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell and press the like button until we will bring new stories for you. So let's start.
Long ago there lived a gentleman whose wife had died after a long period of illness. The man was grief-stricken. Grief-stricken. He also had a beautiful kind of daughter, Cinderella, whom loved very much. So for the task for his daughter, the gentleman married again. His second wife was proud and arrogant. She had two daughters from her previous marriage, and the girls went just like her mother. However, Cinderella's stepmother did not look after her. She was rude to her and made her all do the household chores. Even her stepsister treated her harshly. But Cinderella remained nice to her stepmother and stepsister. Her father could do nothing to help his daughter, Cinderella. It was because he often went traveling to the place to trade. Time passed. One day an announcement was made throughout the kingdom. It was an invitation to the royal ball, and every girl in the kingdom was invited to it. Cinderella and her stepsister too heard about the ball. We want to go to the ball, mother said Cinderella's stepsister. Of course, my dear, said their mother, but first you must have a beautiful dresses to fit for it. Princess to be a shrieking with joy, the girls started the preparations. Cinderella too wanted to go to the royal ball, so she asked her stepmother, "Can I go to the ball too?" Her stepmother looked at the rough clothes and said, "You cannot go to the ball and go to do your work." Cinderella was very sad to hear that. Meanwhile, her sister had brought the finest silk and laces and told Cinderella to make dresses for them. Cinderella worked day and night to make dresses for them. At last, the day of the ball arrived once. Dressed Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister went away in the ball carriage. As they left, Cinderella burst into tears. Suddenly, there was a flash of light. Surprise! Cinderella saw a fairy hovering in mid-air. "Who are you?" asked Cinderella. "I am your fairy godmother," means Parima.
In Hindi.
Yes, in Hindi, Parima. "Are you crying, my child?" "Why are you crying, my child?" asked the fairy. "I want to attend the royal ball," said the Cinderella. "Then do not shed your tears, child. For you shall go to the royal ball," said the fairy godmother, smiling. But how would that be?" asked Cinderella. "You must have to do as I tell you to," said the fairy godmother. First of all, fetch me a big pumpkin from the backyard and 4 miles from the mice trap. Be quick." Cinderella rushed to the backyard, took a pumpkin and then ran on the way to the hall. She grabbed the mice trap with 4 mice in it. "Here they are," said the Cinderella. Then fairy Then fairy godmother asked her to bring a big rat, which Cinderella did. When everything was brought, the fairy godmother touched them with her magic wand. At once the pumpkin turned into beautiful coat, the mice into 4 white horses.
Four white horses yoked into the carriage and the rat into a coachman. Well, that is half the job done, said the fairy godmother. Now it's your turn, child. Then she touched Cinderella with her wand. At once light surrounded Cinderella and she stood there wearing the most beautiful gown and a pair of glass slippers. Now you are ready for the ball, said the fairy godmother. Cinderella then sat inside the carriage, but before the carriage drove away, fairy godmother told Cinderella, "Dear, remember to return from the ball before midnight, as my magic will wear off at the stroke of 12. I will return from the ball before midnight," Cinderella promised the fairy godmother. As the carriage drove away, "Thank you for everything, fairy godmother. Have a good time at the ball, my dear," whispered fairy godmother. The ball began when Cinderella reached the palace. When she entered the ballroom, immediately a hush fell over the ballroom and many gasped. "Who is she? She is so beautiful. Look at her dress," said everyone. Even her stepmother and stepsisters could not recognize her. When the prince saw her, he fell in love with her. All evening he danced only with Cinderella. Cinderella was so happy throughout the evening that she forgot the fairy's warning. When the clock struck 12, Cinderella at once remembered the fairy godmother's warning. "I have to go," she told the prince and dashed out of the ballroom. The prince was surprised and rushed after her. As Cinderella hurried down the stairs, her glass slippers fell off her feet. But she did not stop. She sat inside her carriage and drove away. The prince picked up the slipper and stood at the stairs stunned. By the time Cinderella reached home, her dress had changed into rats and the carriage was gone. Soon her stepsisters and stepmother too returned from the ball. How was the ball?" asked Cinderella innocently. "It was magnificent," said her stepsisters. "A beautiful princess had come to the ball, and the prince only danced with her. I wish I could see the princess as well," sighed Cinderella. Meanwhile, the prince had sent his messengers to find the princess with whom he had danced, but she could not be found. Then he had an idea, and it was announced that the prince would marry in whosoever foot the glass slipper will fit. A minister carrying the slipper went throughout the kingdom. Many girls tried on the slipper, but it was either too small or too large for them. Yet the prince remained hopeful to finding the princess. At last, the minister came to Cinderella's house. Cinderella's stepsisters, sure that the slipper would fit them, tried it on one after the other, but the slipper did not fit them. Let us try again, said the sisters. No, I cannot let that happen, said the minister. Is there any other girl in the house? Cinderella stepped forward hesitantly. Try on the slipper, young lady, said the minister. Cinderella sat down and tried on the glass slippers. Immediately the minister exclaimed, the slippers fits her perfectly. We have found the princess. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters were left stunned. Then Cinderella took out the other glass slippers from her pocket and wore it. At once she turned into a beautiful princess. A few days later, Cinderella and the prince were married amid great celebration, and they lived happily for years. So friends, we have new words for you.
Illness, state, arrogant, previous rude, chores, harshly, announcement, throughout invitation, shrieking, laces, stepsister, carriage, burst, hovering, fairy, shed, backyard, coach, yoke, gown.
1 minute.
Midnight stroke, hush,
Gasped.
recognize, remembered, rags, break,
Messenger's idea, innocently magnificent. Remain forward, perfectly, hesitantly. Celebration. So, we have question answers for you.
How many
Only
steps-
two.
How many stepsisters did? Let's recall. How many stepsisters did Cinderella had? Write in comments.
Where did the ball take place? Write in comments too. So friends, subscribe to our channel so we can bring new words for you. So what is the meaning of chores?
The meaning of chores is a task that you do regularly. What is the meaning of harsh?
The meaning of harsh is cruel, severe and unkind. Example, the punishment was so harsh and unfair. So subscribe to our channel,
Hit the notification bell.
and press the like button until
Bye.
we bring new stories for you. Bye.